I love to try things for the first time. I have like a full bag of clothes. It's been a week since we are here, so there's a lot of things to wash, a lot of things to dry, and I'm going to show you guys a little bit how we can do this in Japan in a public space. This type of laundromat, it's pretty common in Japan. There's one in every neighborhood and they are pretty easy to find. This blue machine exchanges money. You can use a credit card and even change the language to English. I have a big bag of clothes, so I use 2 washing machines. They cost 300 yen each, which is about 2 euros, and it takes around 35 minutes to wash everything. One thing that I forgot to say is that if you're traveling in Japan and in any case you need to wash your clothes, you don't have to worry about soap or softener. They are included in the washing process, so you literally just have to put your coins and let it go. Normally what people do is they start a process and they go to work or they go to the supermarket. Like here in Tokyo especially, life is really busy, so you have to learn how to save some time. That's why I'm by myself here. There are many machines running and there's no one. I found something cool at the back of the store, a special washing machine for shoes and even a shoe dryer. Washing shoes cost 200 yen or about €1.30. There's something really special about public places here in Japan, which is people are really communal in a sense of letting the space ready for the next person. And I feel this a lot here in Japan, but especially in places where we have to share things as washing clothes, like a laundry place. I feel that people take extra care of that. So here you can see that everything is organized. There was a guy just here a few seconds ago when he was folding his clothes, and he made sure that this desk was fully perfect and clean for when I need to use. So this is really special, and it makes us learn too from the West how to think more about the others and not only about ourselves. So this is something really important that I feel that I'm learning here in Japan so far. One thing I love about Japan is how there's a solution for everything. They even have small carts to move your clothes around. I'm quite short, but these carts are really tiny. Most people, they only have washing machines, so they cannot dry at home, they can only hang outside. So here at this laundry place, you can see that there are many drying machines and only 3 washing machines, because normally what they do is they wash at home and they bring here the clothes already washed just to dry. I'm going right now to the supermarket because I have 50 minutes until my clothes are dry. So I would take this time to do some groceries and come back. All the clothes were pretty dry, so I could fold them straight away. In Japan, laundry products don't have a strong smell. The clothes are clean, but the smell is very neutral. Okay guys, so mission complete. I just finished washing my clothes. As you guys could see, super easy, super cheap, and you can fully understand what you have to do. So you're not going to get stuck if you don't understand Japanese. It's basically nighttime already. I started this process around 3:30 and I finished around 5. But I stopped to go to the supermarket in between so I could save some time. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. I see you in the next video.